Hey fellow investors and fellow stock guardians, it's Wednesday, February 10th, 2021. I'm Hoda, co-founder and CEO of StockGuard, reporting to you from a mixed stock market. After a quick dip in early trading hours, all three indices had a relatively calm day and just like yesterday, ended Wednesday around the same place they had started. While the end of the day returns were not significant, it's important to remember that all three indices are hovering around their all-time high records. What helped the market stay calm was the confirmation by Chairman Powell that the Fed would not change the interest rate until the unemployment challenges are resolved. And despite inflation worries, the consumer price index rose only 0.3% in January as per the Labor Department. Moving on to the winners of the day. The short squeeze Redditors are moving from GameStop to Tilray. Shares of Tilray jumped more than 73% and several other heavily shorted cannabis stocks followed suit. Look up cannabis in the search bar on the Discover page on StockGuard and check out all the green arrows in the sector. By the way, have you heard the phrase, any publicity is good publicity? That's exactly what happened to Reddit. Backed by the short squeeze drama, the social media and discussion forum platform became one of the most visited websites in the world, and venture capitalists rushed to pour another $250 million into this privately held startup that is now valued at more than $6 billion. Well, we can't invest in that one for sure. On the losers list, MicroStrategy lost 23% of its value. More than 1/3 of this company's value is now connected to Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin price drops, MicroStrategy's market cap would follow. Also, from my 2021 watch list, shares of Alteryx dropped more than 15% after the company announced its latest quarterly earnings report. This analytics platform had a 19% growth in top-line revenue for the year and a 32% increase in annual recurring revenue. However, investors got spooked because the company also announced a lower-than-expected outlook for the next quarter and discussed higher expenses. The company is going through an operational transformation of its sales organization and plans to invest in product development to accelerate innovation. Despite the price drop, look up the company's StockGuard and see the company's stable and profitable operations that also generates free cash flow. I used this short-term mispricing in the market to pick up some shares at a better price today. By the way, folks, the StockGuard partner and all-around excellent stock market investor Joseph Hogue from Let's Talk Money channel just published his latest video to talk about 5 artificial intelligence stocks that could add another $30 trillion to the economy and fantastic returns to your portfolio. Check out the video to get your AI fixed. The one stock that grabbed my attention from his video is a company called C3 that is going directly to my watchlist to get to know and potentially add to my portfolio. Did you guys and gals know this company at all? Well, I didn't know. So instead of me telling you about the company, why not hear it from the man himself, Joseph Hogue? Joseph, take it away.
C3.ai, ticker AI, just had its IPO in December and saw a 120% pop on that $42 offer price. It's now trading at about $147 a share, a little pricey at 60 times on that price to sales basis, but the company is a first mover in this AI as a software as a service market. C3 provides the software that other companies can use to create their own AI applications, as well as its own custom AI creation service. Customers include big names like RDS Shell, drug maker AstraZeneca, and even the US Air Force. And the company estimates a total addressable market of $271 billion by 2024, about a 12% annualized market growth from an already massive $174 billion market last year. Now, C3 grew sales by 71% last year and has a long runway for growth in that market share. Now, as more companies realize the power of creating their own programs in that artificial intelligence, how C3 is able to drive that return on investment for that software, I think this could be a 5 or a 10 times multiple on your money.
As always, if you like to give a StockGuard VIP a try to research as many stocks as you want and follow successful investors' portfolios like my Roll with Our CEO portfolio or Joseph Hogue's Bowtie Nation portfolio, use promo code Roll with Our CEO, all lowercase and in one word. That's it for today. If you like these quick market recap reports directly from my daily stock market research, please like and subscribe and share with your fellow investors. I'll see you tomorrow.